Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to set up an alarm with the Apple Watch SE. So basically we have a watch that needs to wake up, so we can press it or tap it and then go here, and in the menu basically you have to find the little alarm clock in orange. We click it here, and here we have alarms which would be with our phone, but we can also set them now. So let's say we can sleep, wake up, we can change and set another alarm. Let's see, other alarm. We can edit the alarm. We can change the time, so we can either click here and choose. Let's see if we can choose. Doesn't let us choose at all. Oh, we have to use the digital crown. Okay, so here we could use it. Let's say we want to wake up at 6:30. So we can go here and put it at 6:30 there and press yes. We can repeat it every day, weekdays, weekends, only certain days. Let's say we want to do Wednesdays, and then we go back, repeat. Alarm, we can change the label, so we can write here. So let's say we're going to write tech, and we could also basically do a space and then crumbs. There we go, and there we go. Now we're ready. We say done. Now we can go snooze if we want it to allow it to let us snooze, or we can delete. Let's say we are gonna save it there, and now we have this alarm. We have the 6:30 TechCrumbs basically. So yeah, that's how you set an alarm with the Apple Watch SE. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.